Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your phone heating while charging on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin. Now, I just want to say that your phone heating up is completely normal. Like, seriously, it's just how battery works. The electricity goes in, powers the battery, and it has to generate heat. There is really no way around it. I mean, there is by just unplugging your phone. However, if you are like really worried about your and want to make sure that it's normal and it's not like you're not breaking your phone specifics or battery or whatever, you can always add the settings. Then in settings, you can scroll down a little and enter battery. Now here you can go into battery diagnostics and simply go into phone is very warm, and now we can check our device temperature. Now I'm currently not really charging my device because I have it almost fully charged, so you can't really see anything, but you'll notice that there is a quite a lot place. The normal side is when things are normal. The blue ones are not for you because you search for the other part of the video. But if you are in blue area, then you have the way too cold, and you don't want to keep it in cold areas because it will also break the inside of the phone. And I believe that the yellow part is the normal part when you are charging up your device. So if you are somewhere here, you shouldn't worry. But if you are in the red area, indeed, you can always, well, first of all, unplug your phone from electricity, and then you want to simply just contact support. Seriously, if you have something wrong with your new phone, you can just contact the support. Maybe they can help you. But more often than not, the issues with the charging and especially heating up are related to USB port directly. I had this accident like a few months ago. Well, it wasn't really with phone, it was with a VR headset. But basically when you would plug it in, there was a very small chance that you would plug it incorrectly because the USB-C inside VR was like broken, was like slightly tilted, which would result in your phone with the current not being closed, I believe. In reality, what happened, the VR headset was so hot that it actually melted the outsides of the plastic. So if you are encountering such temperatures, be careful, unplug your phone immediately and contact the support. Go into, for example, the proof shop or like some sort of phone workshop, and they should help you. But if you are inside the green or yellow zone, everything should be fine and don't worry. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.